Chief Minister N. Biren today flagged off a press tour to Andaman Islands organized by the All Manipur Working Journalist Union, Amwju'S, from Chief Minister's bungalow gate. Altogether, 30 journalists from different media houses and executive members of Amwju'S took part in the tour. Of the total number of journalists, 18 are women and 12 are men. Speaking on the sidelines of the flag off, Chief Minister Biren said this is the first time a team of women journalists is visiting Mount Manipur, formerly known as Mount Harriet. Mount Manipur is very significant to the history of Manipur. It is in this place where the British Empire imprisoned many freedom fighters of the state. Acknowledging the historical importance and to honor the freedom fighters, Prime Minister Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah decided to name Mount Harriet as Mount Manipur. Meanwhile, responding to queries in connection with the forthcoming Lok Sabha polls, the Chief Minister said the centre will soon announce the names of the candidates to contest in the forthcoming Lok Sabha polls in the state. He said the state government has beefed up security measures to conduct the election smoothly.
All Manipur Working Journalists Union Silakanda journalists Khara Andaman Nicobar Mogi tour program I just immediately after the recognition of Mount Harriet is Mount Manipur. I think this kind of tour might be the first one. Aduna Sigi Ahanba Sumaina Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji Madi Union Home Minister Misaji na Kogi Andaman Nicobar Lady Baduma Manipuri Atho Singh Gilaifam Mount Harriet Haribadugi Singdum Budu Bhavada Manipur gi historical background Yangaga Mount Harriet pu Mount Manipur and one Tokiba Adugi Mafam Dudangasi Satkan Habis I feel proud and I Nasu I is Haitagi Ada Lady Ba Pai Pudu Dai Lamna Saching Huxali Visiki Kutang Dai Kurumzari Loinana Adugumba I Kogi Paumission as I or Matunda Mount Manipur Urakanda Adugumba Madugi Donka recognition Piriba I could respect of Wiriba Ikogi historically Mapama Matambiri Madugumba Bharati Prime Minister appreciate Toba Union Home Minister appreciate Toba and a Quima Masu in the Salise swing arm the Yoba swing arm the Salurga Mohalakpa I decided to get more blessing Pijari Sorukurumzari.